Hi friends, welcome to Tales with Mom. Tonight's story is Just Grandma and Me by Mercer Mayer. I know that we love going to the beach with our Nana. Do you like going to the beach? Find out what happens in tonight's story when they go on a little excursion. I hope you enjoy.
Hi friends, welcome to Tales with Mom. I'm glad we're here, and that's it.
Just Grandma and Me by Mercer Mayer. We went to the beach, just Grandma and me. I wanted to set up the beach umbrella, but the wind was too strong. I flew my kite instead. I bought hot dogs for Grandma and me.
Oops.
But they fell in the sand, so I washed them off. I found a nice seashell for Grandma, but it was full of a crab. I wanted to blow up my seahorse, but I didn't have enough air. So Grandma helped me a little. I told Grandma to take me way out in the deep water, but not too far. I put on my fins and my mask and showed Grandma how I can snorkel. I dug a hole in the sand for Grandma. Then I covered her up and tickled her toes. I built a sandcastle just for Grandma, but a big wave came. Grandma said that's what happens to sandcastles, and we will build a new one next time. On the way home, Grandma was tired, so I told her I would watch for our stop. We had a good time at the beach, just Grandma and me. Wow, what a long, fun day they had at the beach. I can't remember the last time we got home when it was dark, but it kind of makes me want to pack up our bags and call Nana to go next weekend. I hope you enjoyed tonight's story. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next adventure. See you next time.